Hello dear Taurus, welcome to your tarot reading for the month of February 2021. I'm going to pick up the cards from these two decks. So let's start shuffling and get to it. For Taurus for the month of February. Oops, this came out. Okay, third week and fourth week. So I'm going to pick one card for each week. Now from the other one, silver deck. I usually take out the cards which fall out because they're meaning to come out, but not if there are many. Two, three, four. I don't know why, but this year I'm getting a feeling that is very busy for most of you, because there's in the fourth week there's this dedicated man which I can see, very hardworking. Again, a very these two cards, or these three cards rather, are literally coming in every reading so far. Okay, so let's start with it. I'm going to do the reading from the Nostradamus book itself. So I'm going to take the advice of the Nostradamus. I'll show you how the book looks like. So I am obviously going to give you my input on, how your weeks are, but with the help of Nostradamus. So let's get to it. These are the two cards for your first week. Seven of Spheres and Nine of Suns. All right. For Taurus. Okay. Okay. So, first week is slightly slow for you, dear Taurus. I'm afraid to say that, but both the card actually shows that there is delay. There is kind of you're working very hard, but you're not seeing the results. You're not seeing that money that was supposed to come. You're not seeing that reward you were supposed to get. So the week starts on a slow moving aspect. Though there is a positive side to this reading also, but both the cards since show delay, I can't really say that there is going to be progress in the first week for you. So like I said, I'll still tell you what it means, that there is a delay, there is adjournment. Maybe you have a hearing going on which is adjourned, so you got stuck. It doesn't necessarily say that it has to be a big thing which is getting stuck, or it's a big delay. No, it can be small minor problems. Somebody canceled the appointment, that client was supposed to come, but they had to go somewhere else, or the hearing was supposed to happen but it got adjourned, something like that. You wanted to go somewhere but it could not happen. So these delays are shown in these two cards. So this was Nine of Stars, which shows stagnation, delay. Obviously you will be frustrated by it, and both the cards say that there is delay. So I can't really move forward because I'm only getting the delay part, though the rest of the week look good to me. So let's get to the second week now. Let's not dwell on what's sad. There is going to be delay. I just told you very clearly. Minor delays, major delays, both in your case, whatever resonates with you. If it's a minor cancellation of an appointment, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. So let's get to the second week. It says Eight of Stars and an astrologer. So an astrologer, I'll tell you, is a person who is at a higher authority, who has power, and who can actually be your well-wisher and turn things around for you. So we'll see what Nostradamus has to say about you. Okay, so Eight of Suns and astrologer. Eight of Suns. Yeah. Okay. And the astrologer. Eight of Suns actually symbolizes that there is a completion, that things are moving forward, there is luck, there is rapid development, there is progress. Like I said, the first week there there were delays, you know, and things were not moving forward. Maybe that appointment with your client got cancelled, so you could not get that money in, or that, yeah, that job or whatever. Second week shows that there is improvement, there is progress, there is reward. So definitely whatever was stuck, maybe the client said, oh no, I won't be able to meet you in the first week, I'm busy, blah blah blah, let's make it in the second week. So the second week the client met you and things went smooth. So this shows that there might be a person in the higher authority. Maybe you said that, you know, I want to meet that person, I want to meet that particular you know, brand person, and then you try to call people around that, hey, can you fix a meeting with that person, you know, which could not happen in the first week, unfortunately. But this person that, you know, who might know that client, who happens to be a friend or who happens to work together, said, okay, let me talk to him, let me use my goodwill, and let me fix a meeting for you. So that happened. This shows right here that it is progress, there is completion, there is satisfaction. So that meeting, Taurus, happened in the second week. So don't get sad if the first week doesn't look bright and the appointments are cancelled. Second week shows that things will move forward. Let's get to the third week now. Like I said, Abbess of Stars, presence of strong woman, and Page. For Taurus, what shows the Taurus? Okay. An extraordinary person. It shows surprise. It shows a stranger, a faithfulness, which is quite good for you. So maybe this, as per your reading, this client happened to be a lady who is a complete stranger to you, but she's willing to work in your favor. She's willing to work with you, and that person is actually ready to collaborate with you. This lady here symbolizes a very strong-willed, opinionated, and you know, somebody who is you know, who if she makes a decision, you won't be able to ignore it. Okay, if she offers you something on the table, you won't be able to ignore it. And I suggest that, Taurus, you should not, because this person has your best interest. Okay, this shows that there is faithfulness. This shows that there is some stranger who's ready to help you, who's ready to guide you. Maybe she's giving you more experience. Maybe in your job, this person is coming to your rescue. So this shows that there is a lot of faithfulness. So whoever is offering you help in the third week of February, Taurus, take it. Take it. Do not leave it. This person means well. This is going to be good for you, for your work, for your career, for your studies. If somebody wants you to help, you know, wants to help you study better, then take that person help. You know, as per the reading, this is a woman. This can be a female friend. This can be a female boss. This can be your mother or sister offering some kind of help, maybe monetary help. I don't know. So see what resonates for you. If the help is coming in the third week, please take it. Okay, let's get to the fourth week. It says you have Seven of Suns and Prostulent. Definitely you're working hard. Definitely. This looks like a work related, career related reading to me, though I never do a specific reading. I only take what is that I'm getting from the reading. This is definitely a career reading. So doesn't mean that there is no love in your life, of course, but it only means that this is not the center. Love is not the center for you right now, center of the world in the month of February. You are focusing on your career, on your work, which is fine. Okay, though it's Valentine's, but it is fine. So this person shows that you are dedicated and working hard. Let's get to the Seven of Suns. Seven of Suns. Seven of Suns for Taurus. So this shows, Seven of Suns shows that you will have to go through a lot to get those meetings. So it actually says, I'll tell you, it says meetings, it says discussions, it says success, it says advantage over others, it says negotiation, profit. It also says struggle, but I'm not getting that struggle part. Of course, you have to work hard, which you are working hard. This card shows that you are working hard. So you will have a lot of meetings, a lot of discussions with this person you met, you know, in your second and your third week. This client, you're going to have a lot of meetings in the fourth week. You're going to work hard. You're also going to get success. So what I am getting, Taurus, is you are only working the entire week. You're not thinking about anything else. You're only concerned about that promotion. You're only concerned about that client. You're only concerned about that particular work. You know, you're trying hard. First week, second week, you're trying hard to get that meeting. First week, there were delays, the meetings got cancelled. Second week, it did happen. Third week shows, and the second week also shows, that the person you met is ready to work for you, is ready to work with you, is ready to give you guidance, and is offering help. You are supposed to take it. Fourth week, whatever offer you got, you're working towards it. You're working hard. It's a very positive reading. It's all about work though. Do not, in the midst of all this, do not forget to take proper rest and drink enough water. Though it's an amazing reading, focused on work, and you're getting things done, and you're getting success. So I think it's a wonderful work reading for you, dear Taurus. So I'll see you next month. Hope you can resonate with it, and have a safe February, Taurus. Bye bye.